Hi lovely people, Jamie Oliver here. I want to tell you about my brand new cutlery range, which is absolutely beautiful. You can see it's highly polished stainless steel, an absolute classic design that you can use every single day. You can throw it in the dishwasher and it's all good. They're real workhorses, but they're beautiful. We've got a nice little range here for you to collect. We've got your classic knife and fork, of course. A lovely steak knife there with a serrated edge, really beautiful. Love that. And then we've got the more traditional dessert and teaspoons, but I've added a really nice, slightly longer, beautiful drinks spoon as well, whether it's for your coffees or your cold drinks, teas, really, really nice, beautiful. And I've added a little cake slice. Also, we haven't forgotten about the kiddies as well. We've got a lovely little kids range here, which are the same kind of spec, but at the bottom, you've got a beautiful little imprint of some characters, which is super, super cute. So guys, I hope you like them. Enjoy, take care, lots of love.